Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes. Well, it's Sunday and it is time for a shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is Cane. I'm not sure if I did a video on this before, but this definitely has a candy cane flavor, and in the background it has a barbershop scent. I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my Omega Boar brush. This brush, I need it today. I'll say that. I did a live shave on Instagram, and I did something I normally don't do, which is a third pass, and I will blame it on that. I got a little bit of razor burn right here on this side, and it's still sticking with me a little bit, so shame on me for doing that. So that's where the Boar brush comes in nice for me, because it kind of helps lift up those hairs and exfoliate the skin. All right, so there we go. We're lathered up. Now, let me come in close and tell you, today's razor is going to be a Gillette, and this is the new standard. This particular razor was made in 1927. It is gold plated. Some of the plating is starting to wear off, and it has the traditional crack there in the handle. But this is a 3-piece, and it kind of reminds you of how the 34C comes apart. So it has the barrel there, and then the handle is hollow, and then the top cap comes off with this the longer stud. And today's blade is going to be a Gillette Silver Blue. And we'll just put that back together there. I had debated about sending this off to have it replated, but I'm not sure that I want to give it up for a while. And so with this being the new standard, I don't know, let's see if we can get zoomed in. See how there's a flat right here, a flat bar or a shelf. It gives a little bit of relief between the blade and the combs. Well, on the older, like the single ring and the double ring, that whole bottom plate was just curved. And so there really wasn't a space between the blade and the comb. It just sat directly on the comb. And they decided, along with many other things, to change the design. And you know, Gillette, their wheels were turning, thinking about how to keep the customer buying more and more blades. Very nice. And I won't say that this is a real aggressive razor, because there's really not much blade feel. I mean, there's a tiny bit, and you can tell that it's cutting. But the nice thing is, it's a very close shave, and I do enjoy that. It's very efficient when it comes to that. You don't need a whole lot of pressure. You just let the razor do the work. That's what Mark always says. Some razors you do have to apply a little bit of pressure. But it is very minimal. Well, if you're watching me on Sunday, that means that your weekend is almost over. And so, did you have a great weekend? Do anything fun or exciting? I had some stuff to do, but the weather prevented me from doing that. It cooled down a little bit outside, which was nice. But it rained a lot on Friday night. Sorry, a little scratchy there. Friday night and Saturday was kind of drizzling off and on. I really needed to mow, but I didn't get in there and do it. So there's always a chance for today, if not Monday evening. And so this soap has a excellent consistency to it. This is the CK1 version, and I like it. If I can get that soap in a CK1, I will. The CK6 does have a little bit of extra, I don't know, skin foodness to it. But if you don't need that, there's no reason to get it. So, and one of the other things, like I got some soap there on my finger. This is a resemblance of the big fellow, and I would love to get the big fellow. It has the barrel, or the handle here, is actually fatter and a little bit longer. And so for me, that makes it an easier task to hold on to. The knurling is actually pretty decent on this. So it's not slippery or, anything like that. By the looks of it, it doesn't really seem like there's that much grip there, but it provides enough that you can definitely hold on to it with no problem. So what is your thoughts on sending out a vintage razor to get replated? Do you think it's worth it? Would you rather just leave it as it is? I'm sitting here all hand again. This is a nice razor. I will say that. I'm already getting alerts on my phone, and I really hope I had put it in airplane mode, and I guess since I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, it's still picking up, so it's sending me stuff when I don't want it to bother me. So hopefully the audio is not cutting in and out every time I get a text message, because that would be frustrating. Wow, that is a very close, smooth shave, and I would not recommend a third pass because it's there already. I'm going to get cleaned up with a cold water rinse, and I will be right back. All right, well, that was nice. Can you see that little bit of irritation there? I'm going to follow that up with the matching splash. And the reason that I picked this particular soap is because of the peppermint in there. And it kind of gives you that cooling effect. And since it's been warm outside, I figured that would be nice. But then, I feel like it does kind of help the irritation. And once the peppermint has kind of subsided, you get that nice barbershop scent. And that's the other reason that I picked it for today. All right, well, my shave is coming to an end. I will put a picture right here. I don't know if my phone didn't charge. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And wow, what a shave. Masturbating a little bit. All right, so there you go. That's the shave for the day. Thank you for sticking with me. And if you like the video, hit the button. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And then that way you're notified for any new upcoming video. Thank you for all my returning viewers. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.